Hello, let's learn more pronunciation. Cyan, scintillate, scintillation, skedaddle, skeleton, scoundrel, scour, scourge, scrutinize, scythe, corduroy. The first word is cyan, a disyllabic noun. Cyan. Stress on the first syllable, sigh, cyan, which means a piece of plant which is grafted to another plant. That's called the cyan. Scintillate. The second word is a verb. Scintillate. It's a three-syllable verb. Stress on the first syllable. Scin. So scintillate. And to scintillate is to sparkle, to emit light. Thus, to scintillate. I repeat, cyan, scintillate. The noun is scintillation. Scintillation. It's a four-syllable noun. Spark and light. Scintillation. But here the stress goes to the penultimate syllable, lay. We say scintillation, scintillation. Cyan, scintillate, scintillation. The fourth word is skedaddle. Skedaddle. It's a three-syllable verb, and to skedaddle, it means to go quickly. Skedaddle. Stress on daddle, the second syllable. Skedaddle. And the last word, the first list, is a skeleton. Skeleton. It's a three-syllable noun. Stress on the first syllable. We say skeleton, which means the bones which are inside the body. Let's go to the second list, scoundrel. Scoundrel. It's a disyllabic word. Scown, that's the stressed syllable. We say scoundrel. Scoundrel. And the scoundrel means a wicked person, bad person. Scoundrel. Stress on the first syllable, scown. The second word is scour. Scour. It's a disyllabic verb, and to scour, it means to clear something. That's scour. Stress on the first syllable, scour. Scour. I repeat, scoundrel, scour. The third word is scourge. Monosyllabic word. It's a noun or a verb. We can say to scourge or to scourge. Just one syllable, one vowel sound, one syllable. We say scourge. And the scourge is something that causes suffering. That's the meaning of scourge. Let's go to the word scrutinize. Scrutinize. It's a three-syllable verb, and to scrutinize, it means to examine carefully. Stress on the first syllable, I repeat, scrutinize. The penultimate word is scythe. Also monosyllabic noun or verb. To scythe or a scythe with the sound in the end. Just one syllable, scythe. And to scythe means to cut grass, or a tool for cutting grass. That's called a scythe. The last word is corduroy. Corduroy. It's a three-syllable noun. Stress on the first syllable, and corduroy. It's a type of cloth with ribs. Corduroy. Let's practice, dear pronunciation lovers. Corduroy, scythe, scrutinize, scourge, scour, scoundrel, skeleton, skedaddle, scintillation, scintillate, cyan. Again, cyan, scintillate, scintillation, skedaddle, skeleton, scoundrel, scour, scourge, scrutinize, scythe, corduroy. Corduroy. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, dear watchers.